everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make these super cute and delicious hot cocoa bombs. But before we get started, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a big thumbs up, click down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new recipe videos. So to get started for the hot cocoa bombs, this is what I'm using. I'm using melted vanilla wafers, and those are the Ghirardelli ones because they taste delicious and they also melt so perfectly. And then I'm using melted chocolate chips for the decorations and melted candy melts for the decorations. So here in two baggies I have the chocolate and the orange melted candy melts. And with the orange, I'm just going to snip the tip off. And I'm going to create the little noses for the snowman. I'm going to make them a few different sizes, so then when the cocoa bombs are done, I can see which size fits best. Now I'm going to do circles for the eyes. And then I'm going to do smaller circles for the mouth. I'm going to try even creating an entire mouth to see how that goes. And I'm going to let all this set. So these are the silicone molds that I'm using. I believe these are 2-inch spheres. And I got these at Amazon. I will be leaving the link down below in the description. They both came like this, but I cut them individually because I feel that when they're set, it's much easier for you to take them out individually so that they don't crack. So that is my suggestion for you guys. So here are my melted vanilla wafers and my mold. And what I'm going to do is just add a few spoonfuls of this in here. And then just swirl it around so that it covers the entire mold. And then any excess, I'm going to let it drip into the other mold. And I'm going to pop these in the freezer right away. I'm going to do 2 more. Alright, so these have been in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Well, they come out really easy from these molds. For the hot cocoa, I have 1 cup of 100% cocoa. This is the Ghirardelli brand. To that, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to whisk this all together. By the way, this recipe is good for about 6 hot cocoa bombs. Now into my hot cocoa bomb molds, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the hot cocoa mix that I made. To that, I'm going to add a few semi-sweet chocolate chips. And some marshmallows. I'm going to do this for all my hot cocoa bombs. And sorry for this next step, I didn't even realize my camera was completely out of frame and focus. Now to seal the hot cocoa bombs, I'm bringing one of the spheres, the empty one, over to the heat. Melt that a little bit, and then I'm going to hold these in place so that it glues together. And with some of the melted vanilla wafers, I'm just going to seal the ends here. Right, I'm going to do one more. So cocoa powder, chocolate chips, marshmallows. Take this one over to the heat, melt it a little bit, seal those closed. So here I have the hot cocoa bomb. I have a bag of melted white chocolate. I'm going to place that on there. I'm going to place the nose on there. I'm going to place the eyes. I'm going to do tiny dots for the mouth. I'm going to pour 1 cup of hot almond milk, and I'm going to drop my cute little hot cocoa bomb in here. There goes drowning. The marshmallows floated up. I will tell you that these hot cocoa bombs were so delicious. The hot cocoa tastes even better than store-bought, and just the whole white chocolate and marshmallows and everything inside gives the hot cocoa such a delicious flavor. You definitely have to give this a try. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this super easy hot cocoa bomb tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to check out my blog and these other recipe videos.